Hi, this is Deborah. Thought I'd give you a walking tour of the shop. This is outside our front door. As you enter in onto the porch, part of our shop, you're going to get to see fun stuff like our tote bags. And we have scrap bags for 50 cents. And of course we have a few other quilts hanging out here. And then you come to the door. And isn't this fun just looking in the door? Look at all the stuff you see. We have a jewelry section, and we have a table that's got free masks on it. We always offer free masks. And we have doilies and all kinds of stuff. Mildred's working on a quilt, so we kind of have stuff strung across other quilts. That's how we work around here. Then you step towards the back of this shop. We have more quilts, and we have, these are casserole totes for you to take your potluck meals with you. We have mini totes, which are great for putting little gifts in and giving. We have pot holders. We have oven mitts, pin cushions. We have make your own blocks. Need inspiration? We have books too. And we have a whole rack of miscellaneous baby quilts. This goes all the way around, lots of different ones. We also have microwave cozies, dish towels. We have greeting cards. These cards have no writing inside, so you get to put your own message. And we do have a small supply of fabric that is available to the public for sale. And of course we have our little puppies resting on top, and there's a few rabbits up there. And as you turn the corner here, you come onto the quilt machine and our work corner. And we have aprons and wonderful crocheted items. We have a large tablecloth. This is a full-size spread, and this also is a queen-size spread. These are all handcrafted items. Again, we have lots and lots of baby quilts, table runners. We have lots of items for Mother's Day. Come on in, say hi, and have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the tour.